So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you could easily extract the audio from a video file and then export that as an MP3 file using Audacity. Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. On this channel, you'll learn how to be creative, and I'll teach you the tools you need to create. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help the channel create more content like this. Okay, so here's what we have. We have this video file. So let's say I have this video file right here. And all I want to do is I actually want to extract the audio from this video file, and I just want to use that audio so then I could manipulate it or maybe improve the audio using Audacity or any other program. So that's really all I want to do. I just want the audio file from this video file, and Audacity makes this super easy to do. So all you have to do within Audacity is to simply open up Audacity like what I have here, and then you just simply drag the file, or you can open it using Audacity right here. And once you do that, there you go. There is the audio. It's right there. It's now been extracted in an audio form. And now you could also export this into an MP3 file or any other audio format. So let me show you how to do that. You simply go up here to File, Export, and you'll know that there's some options. There's export as MP3, as WAV, OGG, export audio, export selected audio, and there's export multiple. So if all you want to do is export MP3, you could choose this. And then it'll already have some defaults for the MP3. There's the bitrate, quality, as you can see here. And there's also channel mode, joint stereo, stereo, and force export to mono. So I'm just going to export it as an MP3. The extension's already there. You'll go ahead and save it. And you could also put in some meta tag information as well. But if not, just say OK. And now here is your exported audio file. So if you play this, so as you can hear, that is just the audio file extracted from this video file. And if you wanted to export this in other audio formats, you could also choose File Export, Export Audio. And now you could choose a different type of format. So down here, there's a drop down. You could choose a variety of different formats, as you could see right here. And you could also use different encodings as well. So the default is 16-bit, but there's many others. For the best value in domain names, check out Namecheap, where you can get a domain for an entire year for less than $10, plus get WhoisGuard privacy protection for free. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. So as you can see here, it's really easy for you to not only extract the audio from your video, but also export it into multiple audio files. And so that's really something that I find handy, and I'm really glad that Audacity makes it easy to do. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you extract the audio using Audacity, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my OBS or Audacity tutorials, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.